Hello DIYers! Today I'll show you how to make a gorgeous glass pendant using a microwave kiln. Let's get started. For the design, layer dichroic and stringer glass on top of the base glass, keeping the COE of the glass consistent as well as having the dichroic facing the same direction is very important for accurate fusing. I used bullseye gel to help keep the design in place.
Don't know your name. Too many people don't know your name. You touch my soul in a simple way. Don't know your name. You made such a lovely place to be. You made such a lovely place to be. I say too many people don't know your name. Too many people don't know your name. You touch my soul in a simple way. Place to be. You made such a lovely place to be.
Now we transfer the design glass to the microwave kiln on kiln paper. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the fuse time. Fuse time varies due to different variables, like the size of the project, thickness of the glass, voltage of the microwave, and glass COE. Now it's time to fire up the microwave. Place the lid on the microwave kiln and set a timer according to the recommended fuse time for your glass. Keep a close eye on the kiln as the glass begins to fuse, and be prepared to adjust the timing if necessary. Once the fuse time is up, carefully remove the kiln from the microwave using your heat-resistant gloves and set it aside to cool on a tile away from children and animals. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking, sharing, or subscribing, or all of the above. It really helps out. And until next time, stay blissful.